Namaste from India. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nandini Mathad and you are all watching Nandini Mathad YouTube channel, guys. And welcome back to Drama World Telugu. And as you can see, August has arrived. And so I'm going to list out some upcoming K-drama that are going to be fun, mysterious and marvelous. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin the show. First one is Bad Memory Erased, premiere on August 2nd. This romantic comedy revolves around the promising tennis player Lee Guan, played by Kim Jae-jong, who sustains a career-ending injuries. His life and self-esteem take a nosedive as a result, and he winds up rock bottom. With nothing to lose, he takes a gamble with his life and a memory-erasing procedure, and he is reborn and newfound confidence. Jin Se-yeon plays neuropsychiatrist Kyo Ji-won, who unintentionally becomes Lee Guan's first love. He needs manipulate memories, unaware of painful past and not fully understanding the role she plays in his memory loss. Lee Guan begins to relentlessly pursue Jo-yeon. Total episodes are 16. Cast star Kim Jae-yeon, Jin Se-yeon, Lee Ji-won, Hong Hye-ji, and many more others. Second one is Love at End, releasing on August 7th. Love at End is set in fictional peace village project that is implemented in DMZ after North and South Korea declared the end of the Korean War. As part of the project, a Seoul-based piano prodigy Kim Jo-hwan, played by Kwon Hong-bin, is living village for a year. There, he started living with Han Young-kwon, Song Ji-woo, a pharmacist and a daughter of high-ranking North Korean official who has only experienced strong emotions such as love through books. Upon meeting Jo-hae, who she is born with through a music, her emotional world began to transform. Total number of episodes are 12. Cast stars Won Bin, So Ji-won, and many more others. Third one is Romance in the House, premiere on August 10 on JTBC. Romance in the House follows a family after their estranged father returns, hoping to reconcile with them after they cut him off. Byung Myung-jin, Jae Jin-hee, and Kyung Hye-yeon, played by Kim Ji-sung, are the parents of Mi-rae, played by Son Na-eun, and Hong Jae, played by Yoon Sun-ha. After attempting to set up the several failed business when Mi-rae and Hong Jae were children, Hye-yeon divorced Myung-jin and struggled to raise them by herself. Moon-jin returned 11 years later, claiming to the owner of the building they now live in and tries to seduce his beloved ex-wife. Mi-rae, now the breadwinner of the family, opposes his return, while her troublemaking brothers is glad to reunite with Moon-jin at the same time. Mi-rae began a romance with former taekwondo athlete and the security guard Nam Tae-pyeon, unknown to her that his family owns the company where she worked. Total number of episodes are 12. And cast star Ji Jae-hee, Kim Ji-sung, Sun Na-eun, Min-ho, Yoon Sa-ha. And fourth one is Your Honor, releasing on August 12 on ENA, a remake the American television series of the same name, Your Honor. Stars Son Ho-joo and Judge Sung Po-han, a righteous man with squeezy clean past, who bring justice and comfort to those who living in the war-worn city. Opposite to him is Kim Gang-yeon, played by Kim Yeon-min, the cruel leader of cattle operation in the same city. Despite of his cold exterior, he is a loving and dedicated father. The series sees the pair facing off to protect those around them. Total number of episodes is 10, and cast stars Sun Hong-jun, Kim Min-yo, and many more others. Fifth one is Perfect Family, releasing on August 14, streaming on Viki and Vio. Based on Naval Webtoon by Myung-pa and Jo Yoon. Perfect Family is a thriller series followed by Cho Si-hye, played by Forbidden Marriage Park Jae-hon, a student who seems to have perfect life and family. However, her world got shattered after the death of her friend Park Kyung-hoon, played by Kim Yang-tae, with her family growing increasingly suspicious of one another. Sky Castle, Yoon Si-ha and Kim Byung-chul also reunite in this series, playing So-hae's adopted parents. Total number of episodes are 12. Cast are Park Jae-yeon, Hong Yo-si-hae, Kim Byung-chul, and many more others. Sixth one is The Tyrant, releasing on August 14 exclusively on Disney Plus. In this upcoming Disney Plus audition, the South Korean government runs a research program called Tyrant, through which it develops a powerful biochemical enhancer. However, they forced to shut down the program after US intelligence learned about their research. A covert handover of the bioenhancer to the US government goes away when the last Tyrant sample gone missing. Choi Se-won stars in the series as Im Sung, a former agent turned into hitman who is tasked with reanimating all parties involved in the Tyrant project. Meanwhile, the missing sample is discovered to be in the hands of the director Chong, played by Kim Si-hyun, who continued to run Tyrant project of the book along with his team. Total number of episodes are 4. And cast are Cha Sing-woo, Kim Se-woo, and Kim Gang-woo. And 7th one is Blackout, premieres on August 16th on NBC. The upcoming series Blackout is loosely based on the 2010 novel Snow White Must Die by Nellie Neos, reinterpreted for the Korean context. The series will follow a pair of detectives investigating the strange events in the village, through which the ugliest of human nature is exposed. Blackout is led by Byung Yo-han of Mr. Sunshine, has Go Jong-woo, who was promising student who got into medical school on the early admission. However, a post-exam trip with his high school friends goes wrong. He is accused of the murder of 2 classmates, and the series begins when he returns to his hometown as an adult after 11 years spending in prison. Total number of episodes are 14. Cast are Bae Yeon-han, Go Joon, Go Boo-gyeon, and Kim Bora, and many more others. 8th one is Love Next Door, releasing on August 17 on Netflix. In romance comedy Love Next Door, Jang Hae-hin, the Snowdrop actor, and along with Jung Sung-min, is seen in Alchemy of Soul, played a pair of former childhood friends. They unite as an adult. They become close as a young children after their mothers formed a friendship, but later went their separation way. As an adult choice architect who is near perfect at his craft, despite his success, attractiveness, and popularity, Seung-hoon finds himself missing to forget certain incident in his past. Meanwhile, Baek Seon-woo pursues a high-level career as a product manager of major company, but suddenly leaves her job one day. Returning to her hometown, she reconnects with Choi Sung-hoon. Total number of episodes are 16. Cast are Jung Hae-hin, Jung Soo-min, and many more others. 9th one is Season 2. Yes, Season 2 is arrived. Premiere on August 23 on Netflix. Based on Min Jin Lee best-selling novels of the same name, follows several generations of Korean family told through the matriarch Sun Jun, played by Kim Min-ha and Yo Myo-jung. The upcoming second season pick up where season 1 left off, as a Sunjin family struggled to survive World War II in Osaka during 1940. Meanwhile, her grandson Solomon struggles to start a new life in 1989 after reneging on an important business deal at the end of the season 1. The total number of episodes are 8. Cast are Kim Min-hye, Yoon Jung, and Lee Min-ho, our favorite Lee Min-ho, and many more others. 10th one is The Frog, releasing on August 23 exclusively on Netflix. It's on Netflix still. The Frog tells the story about two pension owners in different timelines who experience the similar strange happening. Yon K-sung, the kidnapping day, stars as a Gun Sang-jun, who runs small hotel in the rural area during the summer of the 2000, while Kim Yeon-sik plays Jung Yeon-ha, who runs pension in the present. Both men live unrivaled mystery women arise from their property. However, they go on to make a completely different decision. The Frog also starts with Go Min-si and Lee Jong-hyun. This series is the night and day and EXO and total episodes are 8. Star Yeon K-sung, Kim Yeon-suk, Go Min-si, Lee Jong-un and Chang-yo. 11th one is Cinderella at 2 p.m. Premieres on August 24. Based on the webtoon written by Ingomi, Cinderella at 2 a.m. is an upcoming office romantic comedy following a pragmatic woman who tries to break up with her hopeless romantic boyfriend. Hospital playlist Shin Hae-bin and star as Ha Yeon-soo, who has a successful career as a team leader at her workplace. She began relationship with Seon Jung-moon, played by Moon Sang-min, a younger man who works at the same company. Yeon-se later learned that the boyfriend is a son of family that owns the company when his mother reaches out to her, offering a large sum of money to break up with him. Yeon-soo decides to accept the offer, believing that fairy tales doesn't exist and in reality. However, Jong-won, who believes in true love, refuses to accept and continues to try to win Yeon-soo back. Total number of episodes are 10 and cast is Shin Yeon-bin, Moon Sang-min. First one is No Gain No Love. Premieres on August 26. In No Gain No Love, Shin Mina, recently seen in Our Blues, stars as Sun Hae-young, and calculative woman who refused to lose money under any circumstances. Facing the possibility of losing her job promotion, Ha-young decides to hold a fake wedding for her bosses and co-workers to attend. Convenience store worker Kim Ji-won, played by Kim Yeon-dae, he is a kind-hearted young man who is unable to ignore those who in need, with saying no and making him well loved among his customers. When Hae-young approaches him to play her groom, he becomes caught up convoluted plot. Total number of episodes are 12 and cast are Shin Min-ah, Kim Yeon-dae, Lee Sang-ye and many more others. Last but not the least, 13th, my favorite actor is going to be in here. And 13th number, DNA Lover, releasing on the date of August 17, streaming on platform Viki. Genre is romance comedy. Synopsis: a genetic researcher who tries to find her match to these myth of gynecologists who does not believe in marriage and destiny. A DNA Lover is a romantic comedy that simulates all the fighters in the genetic research. Sun So-jin, played by Chung Ji-sun, who has failed a numerous relationships, finally finds her match through genes. My favorite actor, Choi Si-won, is going to be playing the role of Kim Yeon-soo, obstetrician and gynecologist who is infinitely kind, and she is a character who bonds with affection when it comes to relationship, but he is a cold at eyes when it comes on finding her emotions, causing confusion with her polar opposite expectation. Cast are Choi Si-won, Jang In-sun, Lee Tae-won, and many more others. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope I covered all the K-dramas that are going to be released on August season. So if I miss some, please write down below. I will surely make a second part on this video, and I will be back with yet another interesting K-Influencer Academy episodes or vlog, and whatever it is, I will entertain you. Until then, bye, take care, love you all, sarange, annyeong.